Okay, let's take a look at example 5. Here we also have a question that potentially can call for level 2 plugin. If you read the question very well, one of the requirements for becoming a court reporter is the ability to type 225 words per minute. Donor can currently type 180. That means that is what we have right now. That's the initial value. So as you can tell, most of the work we are doing now is on linear models. So you'll be looking into a slope, and you'll be looking into some kind of initial or y-intercept type. So here our current value is 180. And believe that with practice he can increase his typing speed by 5 words per minute. 5 words per minute means every change, every 1 minute, you increase your speed by 5 words, and that is technically your slope, as if you can read this very well. So if you look at this model, you can, even before you even get to this, you can say that, oh, therefore my speed at some point m is going to be equal to my current speed plus 5m, right? So when I change for every month, m is month, for every month, this speed will change by 5, and that is what the slope is. So even before you get into this stuff, you can see the model right away. But if you can write this model like this, then you know your answer choice is going to be equal to C, right? If you can see it that way, your answer choice is going to be equal to C. Now, let us assume you can see it from that angle. Then you can also use the level 2 plug-in and say, well, this guy has 180 already. Let us assume what happens in 10 months. 10 months time, he will have 50 words added. So that will be 230. 10 months. So when m is equal to 10, you're going to have this. So you come back to your model. So now let's say, so when m is equal to 10, you know this is going to be 1800. So obviously it's not going to be this. 180 times 10 is going to be 1800. So it's not going to be anywhere close to 230. It's going to be far, far. How about this? When n is equal to 10, this already passed 225. You're going to add 2, so it's not it. How about this? When it's equal to 10, it's going to be 5 times 10, 50. It's going to, so as you can see, this will be your answer. Now, there's danger when you're doing the level 2 plugin. You got to watch the kind of numbers you pick. If you pick m is equal to 1, you notice that you may end up getting 185 here, right? When m is equal to 1. And you may think that is, yeah, after 1 month, I have to do 180 plus 5, 185. That is why they gave you this answer. So you got to be careful. At times, you may want to go to more different numbers. You know, if you use 1, at times you want to use 10. So avoid using little numbers like zeros and ones. You know, go to a reasonable number like 5, 10, 15, and that will help you make the right judgment, the right decisions.